Lay your head where my heart used to be, on the earth above me. Lay down in the green grass, remember when you loved me. Come closer, don't be shy. Stand beneath the rainy sky. The moon is over the rise. Think of me as a train goes by. Clear the thistles and brambles. Whisper, didn't he ramble? Now there's a bubble of me, and it's floating in me. Stand in the shade of me. Things are not made of need. The weather vane will say it smells like rain today. God took the stars and he tossed them. Can't tell the birds from the blossoms. You'll never be free of me. He'll make a tree from me. Don't say goodbye to me. Describe the sky to me. And if the sky falls, mark my words, we'll catch mockingbirds. Lay your head where my heart used to be. Hold the earth